Imagine a mosquito as a tiny flying Dracula. Instead of a castle in Transylvania, they inhabit our backyards and parks. Like Dracula, they crave blood, but not for some aristocratic thirst. Female mosquitoes, the real culprits behind those itchy bites, need blood to reproduce. It's all about the protein. Mosquitoes primarily feed on sugary nectar from plants. This provides them with energy for flight and daily activities. However, when it's time to lay eggs, females need an extra protein boost. This is where your blood comes in. The protein and iron in your blood are essential nutrients for developing mosquito eggs. Think of it as a protein shake for expectant mosquito mothers. Without this vital meal, they can't reproduce effectively. So, while those bites are annoying for us, they are essential for the continuation of the mosquito life cycle. Have you ever noticed that mosquitoes seem to prefer some people over others? It's not just your imagination. Mosquitoes are picky eaters, and they use a variety of cues to find their ideal blood meal. One crucial factor is carbon dioxide. We exhale carbon dioxide with every breath, and mosquitoes are incredibly sensitive to it. They can detect a plume of carbon dioxide from up to 50 meters away. This means that people who exhale more, such as larger individuals or those exercising, are like beacons to mosquitoes. Body heat is another important cue. Mosquitoes are attracted to warmth, so people with higher body temperatures are more likely to get bitten. This is why pregnant women who have a slightly elevated body temperature often experience an increase in mosquito bites. Finally, our unique body odor plays a role. Mosquitoes are drawn to certain chemicals in our sweat, and some people produce more of these attractive scents than others. You may have heard that mosquitoes prefer certain blood types. While it's a popular belief, the scientific evidence is mixed. Some studies suggest that people with type O blood may be slightly more attractive to mosquitoes than other blood types. However, the difference is not significant enough to explain why some people are constantly swarmed, while others escape relatively unscathed. Mosquitoes also exhibit other curious preferences. For instance, they seem to be attracted to darker colors, particularly black and blue. So, wearing lighter clothing might help you blend in a bit better. Interestingly, mosquitoes are also drawn to the smell of beer. A study found that people who had consumed even a small amount of beer were more attractive to mosquitoes. These quirky preferences highlight the complex sensory world of mosquitoes. They rely on a combination of sight, smell, and even temperature to locate their next meal. Understanding these preferences can give us an edge in the fight against mosquito bites. While we may never fully escape the persistent hum of a mosquito, there are practical steps we can take to minimize bites and enjoy our time outdoors. One of the most effective methods is using insect repellents containing DEET or picaridin. These chemicals disrupt a mosquito's ability to smell us, making it harder for them to find their target. For a more natural approach, consider planting mosquito-repelling plants like citronella, lavender, or marigolds around your yard. These plants release scents that mosquitoes find unpleasant, creating a natural barrier. Eliminating standing water is crucial. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so empty any containers, bird baths, or puddles around your home to disrupt their life cycle. Finally, wearing long sleeves and pants during peak mosquito hours can provide an extra layer of protection. By combining these preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the number of mosquito encounters and enjoy your summer evenings without the constant annoyance of itchy bites. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way in the battle against these tiny bloodsuckers.